objective of the expedition, of course, was to get those observations from the highest point in the Andes and the highest point in the Americas and outside of high mountain Asia.
If we can have a network on a mountain that is more than a single station, then it just really provides a much deeper understanding and awareness that opens the door for all kinds of scientific investigations, but also has really practical implications for the management of water. In Aconcagua, it's not just a single station that we installed, but we installed 5 of them. On a single mountain, there's tremendous value in having that vertical gradient in the observations. But it's even more beneficial to then have a network of networks, to be able to compare what we're seeing on Aconcagua with our network on Everest and our other stations that we've installed in Peru and Bolivia. You know, for me as a scientist, as an educator, as a storyteller, you know, the work that I do, and I'm very excited to bring in PhD students that can continue some of this work. There'll be more opportunities to really maximize our research and scientific discovery from the Aconcagua stations, and put that in a context, a broader context with these other networks that we've installed on Everest and that we're, you know, proposing and planning to install in some other locations too.